My name is Robert Graves, and this is my co-op experience while working at Jordan & Scala Engineers. I'm a senior in electrical engineering, and this was my third and final rotation. Jordan & Scala was founded in 1953 outside of Atlanta, Georgia. They operate as an MEP consulting firm, which means we take the drawings from an architect and fill them in with the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing devices needed for the building to meet code. Jordan & Scala has grown from a single office in 1953 to over 6 locations across the country, and Jordan & Scala was ranked in the top 10 MEP engineering firms for 2021. One of the things that I enjoyed most about my time at Jordan & Scala was the mentorship that I received. Isaac White has been an electrical designer for 3 years at Jordan & Scala. He was my mentor for the majority of the projects that I worked on and taught me a lot about how to use the software and about electrical building design. Jeff Sams is the team principal over the Charlotte office and has over 25 years of experience in electrical design. He was also a great mentor to me at my time at Jordan & Scala. MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing. The most common way that MEP firms fit into the construction industry is between the architect and the contractors. A project owner is the person or firm that is having a building constructed. Architects help create the vision of the project owner. We receive the drawings from the architect, and the separate design teams will do calculations to determine equipment sizing as well as drawing the equipment and devices onto the drawings. The drawings are sent for permit, and when they are approved, the contractors receive them and can begin construction. In the MEP industry, there are two main software platforms that are used for building design. We primarily use the software Revit, which is a newer software compared to AutoCAD and has some smart design tools that can assist you in building calculations. It's also used as a 3D modeling tool that can model the building design. AutoCAD is another software that is used in the industry. It is the original design software for building design and is still widely used by a lot of architect firms. The most common type of building that JSC designs are apartments. One of the first steps in the process of designing an apartment are the unit plans. Unit plans are the individual layouts that will be offered at the apartment. We fill in these unit plans with all of the devices and get a unit plan load, which is the electrical load of the individual unit. Once all of the unit plans have been completed, they are placed in a matrix that multiplies the unit load by the number of those unit plans in the building. This total unit load is then added to the amenity load and the garage load if it has a parking garage. With the total building load calculated, you can then size your transformer and all of the power distribution equipment to feed the building. Working at Jordan & Scala was a great opportunity for me to develop professional skills and to gain engineering experience. Seeing how engineers actually complete their projects was very beneficial to me. It allowed me to see firsthand what engineers do day to day and to assist in their projects. Being able to interact with the other engineering disciplines gave me the opportunity to learn about their designs, as well as taught me how to request information in a professional manner. I was an asset to the team by helping out wherever I could. If an engineer had a tedious task I could take on, it would free them up to use their skill set on other areas of the project. Once I had reached a certain level of experience, I was tasked with higher level tasks, such as submitting drawings to architects and responding to basic RFIs. Having completed all three of my co-op rotations, I would highly recommend pursuing a co-op opportunity. The experience transformed me from an engineering student into a young professional. By working in an office environment, I was able to develop professional engineering and CAD skills. It also was a great way to see if working in a particular industry would be a good fit for a career.